Hi, and welcome back to another episode of You Ask, We Answer. So on today's episode, one of the questions we get asked a lot is, what is an actual ZipLevel? It's a term that we use in the foundation repair industry, and so we're going to go ahead and ask Mark, what is a ZipLevel?
Well, this comes from a company called Technedia, and I think they've been around a little more than 10 years, maybe 15, but this is a standard in our industry. This takes elevations within 1/10 of an inch, but you have to use it correctly. You have to put it over different floor coverings, measure the floors but this thing, it's all digital. It's called a digital altimeter. So typical engineer will want the floor within, they don't want the floor to drop more than 1/2 inch within 10 feet. So this is how we determine that, by using this ZipLevel. Just make sure that the company you hire uses a machine like this, and they double check their measurements, and it should get within 1/10 of an inch. And if they're not using this, then they're not using what the standard would be in this industry.
So to wrap this one up, make sure you have a company that comes out, whether it's us or somebody else, make sure they give you a actual floor elevation with numbers and measurements, and they're not just eyeballing it saying, oh yeah, it looks like you're having a floor settlement over here or over there. Actually have them put some numbers to it with where it actually is to justify whatever repairs or whatever repairs don't need to be done. So that will do it for this episode of You Ask, You Answer, and until next time, we will be here inspecting more foundations.